Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your box to Miro. So if you're currently in your board and you want to, for example, link files from Box, you can easily click the Add Tools and just easily open up the marketplace or tools, and you can type in Box, for example. And once you find Box, you can access files and so forth. So if you click on that, you will be able to access files. Now you need to have an upgraded account, not the free one. The free one will not work, but if you have an upgraded account, you can easily access those files. Now that's one thing. Now in order to access the Box, you need to connect your Miro account to Box, and to do that, click account on the upper right hand side, then click on your settings. Here you need to go to your profile settings, and within your profile settings you will have integrations. So go ahead and click on the integration section, scroll down, and you will find Box, and all you have to do is click and connect and log in into your Box account and authorize it. And once that is connected, guys, you will now have it connected, and so you can easily access the Box from here. And as you can see, once you open it, you'll have it accessible on the left hand side, that you can easily access those Box documents. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.